Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So we are. First of all, thank you so much for giving us too much love, support. In our last video, Mom and Son podcast, we got immense love from YouTube from your side. So thank you so much. So Tashu, do you want to say something?
Yeah, thanks for giving me that opportunity to say. So thank you for supporting us. Um, Follow that, continue that, and you are giving me that much nice comments that in my heart I am thinking that you like me more than my mother.
Oh my god, yes, yes. Because you are not so cute. Yes, yes, you are so cute. Okay, so today we are going to make one more
Mama, I want
podcast.
to say one thing. From outside, very cute and cuddly. From inside, you can think how much cute and cuddly.
Yes, yes. So today we are making one more podcast for you, which is truly depend on festival. So I will ask some question to my son, and he will give answer whatever he knows and he feels about that festival. So Tashu, do you like festival?
Yeah, I like festival. Even everyone likes festival.
Okay. So especially what you do?
I enjoy, and even every festival has its own reason. Why we celebrate it.
Okay. So what does festival means to you?
An event where people come together and rejoice.
Okay. So which festival do you like most?
I like Holi and Deepavali, but the most I like Deepavali because I can burst many crackers in that. So that's why I like Deepavali.
Okay. So how you celebrate Deepavali and festival?
By by we can do in that many people will come, our whole family will come, so every kid, my cousins, everyone can do mischievous behavior. Even if my mother is going to beat me at the public place, she will not beat. Why? Because she will be some emotional. If she will beat, no, khatam.
Okay. So in Holi, what you do?
In Holi, one day what happened, in Holi only, one boy was going from down. He was my friend. Don't do with any stranger, okay? That's a warning. He will say to your mother. So you know what happened? My friend was simply walking. I took the full one bucket of the water and I threw it.
Okay. So what he did?
I will say to your mother, he told, but I ran and I came to home.
Okay. So I know that you live in Bangalore. So where do you like celebrate festival most? In your hometown or here?
But I like to celebrate in my hometown, because in my hometown at least 3 or 4 days. 4 days. Because there we should not wait for festival. Here, but tomorrow is festival. So that in in festival also we are not that much excited because only one day festival.
Yes. In your village, in your hometown, there are 2-3 days festival, and you are just like a free bird. You can do anything. You can go with your nanny's house.
Yeah.
Everywhere. You are just like free.
In my nanny's house, what happened? I took the one, what will be that? I took a bag. In that I poured some water balloons. One full barat, one full group of people in my nanny's house. They will do something joyful. So I am taking the balloon and I am throwing in their mouth only.
Okay, okay.
And you know, this will happen with all. You know, you are walking in Holi, from back someone is taking a water balloon, he's beating in you. In that you
Okay.
will get more hurt, and only some you will know, some joyful you will be.
Okay. So means you enjoy a lot festival
Yeah.
because you don't do study also that time. That's
Yeah.
why you are more happy.
No, yeah, but study is also important for us. If we will not do study, you know, we will not get job. Now in my father's rupees, I can do anything. I can buy something. You know, for now, if I will get good marks, I will, even if I will by chance if I will be the topper, I will be that, because my father will buy something for me. But you know, when we will grow up, we will you will we have money, but we will buy for our success, to get success in life.
Yeah. So what you want to be in your life?
I want to be success.
Okay. So what successful person means to you?
I want to be a footballer.
You want to be footballer.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We know that. So tell me, why do people work?
People work to earn money and serve other.
Okay. So what is, like, explain why it is important to value all kind of work and people.
Because you know, all have their own talents. They can do their work by their self.
Dignity.
Dignity of labor. So they can do their work by their self. If you know, if if there will be no garbage collector, I am not teasing garbage collector, if there will be no garbage collector, so who will take our garbage? So you know, our house that much messy it will be. So even a garbage collector have have more respect, you know.
Yes. So
Yeah, so we should respect to all,
like.
like peon, garbage collector, and many more.
Yes. Okay. So okay, I'm giving you one situation.
Mama, why are you being emotional?
I'm not being emotional. So I'm asking to you one question. Imagine you have been chosen to be leader of your class and your society. So two ways how you inspire and motivate people.
First of all, if they in class, I am saying now in society, I will say else. In classroom, if anyone don't know any spellings, you know, in our class, you know, here my mother teach me. She put it her heart and soul. So that's why I know how to read spellings and how to make good handwriting. But you know, in I'm not teasing others mother, they will do their work, so they cannot teach their kids to how to make good not good handwriting, how to read. So in our class many don't know how to read, so I will tell them how to read. And if they didn't brought any stationery item, I will share with them my item. You know, we can share. In Hindi one dialogue is there, if today we will share, next day he will share with us. जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी.
Oh my God! And what the English idiom of it? I always use as you.
As you do, so you reap.
Yeah, as you sow, so you reap.
As you sow, so you reap.
Okay, one last question for you. Which kind of personality you are?
Wait, I didn't told my society. In my society, I will help I will help others to do their work. In others aunties to do their work, no problem. You know, I will tell you one interesting thing. In my mother's mind, there is going on, first you help me, then you help others.
Yes, but you don't help me, na?
Yes.
Yes, you help me a lot. So tell me, like, which kind of personality you are?
And second, I will help them by now and more that is glowing. What is that? Heat is there. So if anyone want to bring milk or anything, so I will help for them that.
Okay, nice, nice. Humanity is there. So now I have asked 3 times to one same question, like which kind of personality you have?
Which do you think? Which type of personality I have?
You
that
have to
I have.
give. You have to give one mischievous and
I am
polite.
mix of mischievous and polite, both mix. Half
Okay, you are mixed.
50-50.
So your name is versatile, capricious. Okay, so now it's time to wrap up our session. Hope you like and enjoy mother and son talks. So like, share, and subscribe. Say
Bye. Have a nice day.